Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, fellow Nigerians, I welcome you to this combined Phase 5 and 6 briefing of the Public Enlightenment Movement projects. This program provides factual updates on selected projects across the northern Nigeria, implemented by the President Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for public awareness and transparency. Phases 5 and 6 highlight key road infrastructure projects being executed under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, including the works along Babura in Jigawa State and Dawano in Kano State corridors, which are improved traffic flow, strengthening commercial activities, and supporting agricultural distribution in major economic areas. Further intervention under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu include road improvements around Funtua in Katsina State, enhancing access for farming and communities along the corridor, as well as the progress along the Kano-Hadeja route, where better road conditions are reducing travel time and improving safety for commuters. In the health sector, important intervention under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu are also featured, particularly development in the Misau Federal Medical Center through the conversion of General Hospital Misau, which are strengthening access to quality healthcare services, improving medical capacity, and expanding tertiary healthcare and delivery for surrounding communities. In addition, a strategic road project under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, such as the Ajaokuta, Okene, and Akonga corridors, continue to strengthen interstate connectivity and support economic and social activities across regions. It is important to note that projects highlighted in this phase under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu represent only few of many ongoing interventions nationwide, as this program focuses on selected examples for public enlightenment. In conclusion, these phases reaffirm the commitment of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to infrastructure development, housing delivery, and improved mobility as foundation for economic growth and national integration. Thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.